We decided to get an Earthbox for our balcony this summer is because Earthbox offers an integrated trellis system. And so we've got the box here and let's take a look. Okay, I've laid out what is included in this trellis system by Earthbox. And here's a little picture of what's inside. There are outrigger feet, a trellis net, rim clamps and hardware, T-connectors, casters, and these aluminum tubes. So let's take a closer look. The outrigger feet are these guys, and they support the actual Earthbox. I guess it fits into here. There are two of these. What are these aluminum tubes that form the actual trellis? There's a T-section and legs to the trellis. And two more casters let you wheel your Earthbox around. Then there's hardware which connects the Earthbox to the trellis, and hardware that connects the aluminum tubes to each other. We're not going to construct it right now, but we'll definitely show a picture of this whole setup once we're done. This is a picture of the whole system when it's set up together. We unboxed the actual Earthbox in a different video, and so that's a separate package. And today we got the trellis system, which is these poles, the supports at the bottom, and this net. And I wanted to note that the trellis comes in different heights, I believe 3 feet, 5 feet, and 7 feet. This is a 5-foot system. The 3-foot system does not come with a net, it's just a support for your plants. The 5-foot and 7-foot trellis systems do come with this integrated net. So yeah, we're really anxious to see how this integrated trellis is going to work out with tall plants on our windy balcony.